Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options, so we can remove the history, the tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. So if you're happy with this set, simply change the time range, it's up to you totally, and then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got them, so the tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it's marked, I will remove everything. You can change the time range, again, it's up to you, and tap on delete data. Tap on delete, and we just got back to the home page, which means that we just successfully removed all saved data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.